Guess who is back? Leo. What is going on, guys? Welcome back again to another episode of Workout Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about the Arabian, okay? We're going to learn how to do the Arabian in only 5 minutes. Check it out. Leave a like for Leo. He is almost back at it. He can walk again. By the way, if you're new, I'm Vincent and this is the place to learn new skills in a fun way. If that sounds like you, the only thing you gotta do is hit subscribe. If you don't want to miss a single video, hit the freaking bell next to it and you'll be notified every time I upload. As always, for the first whole minute, we're gonna warm up, okay? You can't forget to warm up. Okay, for the second minute, we're gonna choose a side. Over which side are you going to do your Arabian, okay? Left or right, choose it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, left, very good. I also do it to the left. Let's go. For the second minute, we're gonna do a 180 to a roll, okay? Like this. Very simple and controlled. Just a 180 turn into a forward roll. Because that's basically what an Arabian is. But then in the air. Split screen right now, boom. So, spam that for 1 minute, okay? Let's move on. For the third minute, we're gonna do the same thing, but we are going to jump into the 180 onto our back, okay? So, like this. Of course, do it at your own level and stuff. Don't. If you're just not there yet, take a chill. Just do it at your own pace and at your own level. So, spam the 180 onto your back for 1 minute. Then, we got 2 minutes left. For the next 30 seconds, we're gonna chill down. Alright, just chill down, catch your breath, don't sit down. As I always say, if you're gonna sit down, your body automatically thinks, okay, we're done, we're gonna chill down. For the next minute, we're gonna spam a couple front flips. And at the same time, we're gonna spam some 180s onto our back. So just spam those two in 1 minute. Couple front flips, couple 180s onto our back. Then we got 30 seconds left and we're just gonna do it. Alright, we're gonna focus, we're gonna concentrate. Leave a like. Look at this. They're both back in the video.
Why are you running?
Oh my god, they're under the trampoline. They are finally back in the video at the same time. Okay guys, let's get into this workout, okay? 5 extra seconds as always. And 3, 2, 1. Get it. Woo! Warm up. You want to do this motion, right? Get your body twisting. And your arms especially. Alright, for the next minute, we're gonna choose a side, alright? For me it's left, because I do the Arabian to my left side, so I'm gonna do it to left. Choose a side, a half turn, and then do a front roll. So, what happens then, we're gonna get used to doing a half turn into a forward roll. So that's basically the Arabian, but then not in the air yet, so woo! Okay. Look what I found here. Leo's back. Leave a like for Leo. Did you see that space? Try to feel the motion, alright? Alright, what?
The wind is so irritating.
Right, for the next minute, we're gonna do a 180 onto our back, alright? Couple seconds left. Just jump like this. Don't twist too soon, okay? Really go up first. Throw your arms over your shoulder and then onto your back, okay? The biggest mistake with this trick is people try to twist too soon and too quick and too fast. First go up, then twist. Let's get it. Up! And twist. Okay, so that's the good technique and this is the bad technique, okay? What happens if you try to do an Arabian like that, it's gonna look about something like this. No one wants to do a flip like that, okay? And if you do the technique the right way, it's gonna look like this. That's it. That's how you really spam your technique, okay? That's how you really get your technique on point.
No, it's gonna rain. Oh my god, it's literally raining. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I'm just gonna wait here with Leo. What? Let me just turn on the lights. Leo is hiding under the trampoline. Can you see his little face? Look at that, and here's, you know. Woo! I made it. My camera is not broken yet. No water damage.
6.5 hours later.
What's up? Okay, we're back. Look at this, man. Yeah, so for the next 30 seconds, I'm gonna chill down. I have already chilled down because it rained, okay? But still, we're gonna chill down for 30 seconds, okay? For the next minute, we're gonna spam some front flips and 180s onto our back. Front flips and 180s onto our back. I found a way to combine it. I recommend you should do a 180 onto your back, jump back onto your feet and do a front flip if you can do that. So like this. So we've got 30 seconds left. What are we gonna do with those 30 seconds? Well, I recommend you should just go for it now, alright? If you're not ready yet, don't do it. Just take more time, take as much time as you want, of course. For the next 30 seconds, we're gonna concentrate, we're gonna focus. We're gonna also focus on our breathing, we're gonna chill down, and we're just gonna try it. Let's just try it. You don't have to land it. Are you ready? We're gonna try some Arabians, okay? Let's get it. Arms up, to the side, tuck, and that's it. Maybe your first try will look something like this. That's no problem at all. Just make sure your technique is right, okay? Whoa! There you go. We landed it. That's a little bit how your progression should look like. This is a pretty easy trick to learn. It's also a very important trick because if you want to learn how to do a full twist, by the way, I made 2 or 3 videos about the full twist. All the links of those videos are in the description. Check them out if you want to learn how to full twist. This Arabian is the trick that will speed up your full twist progression the most, okay? If you can do an Arabian, you will learn how to full twist so much faster than if you don't know how to do an Arabian. Because the Arabian is already halfway of a full twist, okay? What especially is important about the Arabian is that you get used to throwing your arms up and then to the side. I can't address this enough. So many people do this wrong and they just can't figure it out. They're struggling throughout the years. And finally, they got a full twist, but it looks shitty as hell. If you can do a full twist, nice, but if it looks shitty, what's the point? Like, you want to execute your flips with good form and technique, okay? So not like this.
Wow!
Yeah, full twist. So that's how your full twist is gonna look like if you can't do an Arabian. And this is what your full is gonna look like if you can do a Arabian and you apply the technique. This is what it's gonna look like. Comment down below which trick you wanna see on Workout Wednesday and I'll cover it in only 5 minutes, alright? Remember, I upload 4 times a week, not 3 times anymore, 4 times. Also remember, Leo is back, woo! He's inside now, he's chilling. He's still gotta recover a little bit, but he's fine, he's doing alright. As you saw in this video, he was spacing around again. Lovely, like always. I hope you got value out of this. Just comment down below if you got value out of this. Cause I want you to let me know what can I do better, what am I doing good, what can I improve. I want the feedback, I need the feedback. Let's get it. I'm active, really active, 4 times a week, every single week, every single month. I won't disappear from this platform for the next 10 years. You won't escape from me, okay? Anyways guys, I hope you liked it. I gotta say what I always say. Have a great day, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace! Woo! Peace! Holy shit.